In this lesson, we'll talk about the point-slope form of a line. The point-slope formula for a line is y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1, where m is the slope and the point on the line is x sub 1, y sub 1. This should look familiar to you if you recall the slope formula is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. If we cross multiply, we get y sub 2 minus y sub 1 equals m times x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So if we let x, y be a general point on the line, be substituted for x sub 2, y sub 2, we get exactly what the point-slope formula is. This is another method that we can use to write the equation of a line. We've already talked about the slope-intercept form as a tool to write the equation of a line, but if we know a point and a slope, we can just simply plug into the point-slope formula and get the equation as well. Example 1 is to use the point-slope formula to write an equation of a line having slope 2 and passing through the point negative 4, 2. We designate our given point as x sub 1, y sub 1, and our slope, of course, is a value m. Plugging into y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1, we get y minus 2 equals 2 times x minus negative 4. This is y minus 2 equals 2 times x plus 4, where y minus 2 equals 2x plus 8. And then we are to put it in slope-intercept form, so that means solve for y. We add 2 to each side to get y equals 2x plus 10. Just to show you that this is the same thing that we've done before, you could use the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Substitute our value of y, which is 2. M is 2, x is negative 4, plus b. We get 2 equals negative 8 plus b. Adding 8 to each side gives us 10 equals b. So the equation is y equals m, which is 2x, plus b, which is 10. Get the same result, either method. If we had to graph this, the slope of 2 and the point negative 4, 2, this time we're given a specific point, negative 4, 2 to start. Remember that our slope means rise divided by run. Our slope of 2 is really 2 divided by 1. So we rise 2 and run 1. Up 2 units, right 1. Up 2 units, right 1. And then draw the graph through those points. Again, using a straight edge and ruler to get the exact line. Another example is to write the equation of a line using the point-slope form through 5, 0 and a slope of negative 2/3. Y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. Substituting gives us y minus 0 equals negative 2/3 times x minus 5. Y minus 0 is y. Distribute on the right to get negative 2/3 x plus 10/3. Remember to multiply fractions, we multiply numerators, multiply denominators. Graphing this line, it passes through the point 5, 0, which is an x-intercept. Slope of negative 2/3 means we're going to go down by 3. I'm sorry, down by 2, right 3. Example 3, we want to find this equation of the line through -1, -4, and -2, 1. This one differs from the previous problems in that we are not told the slope explicitly, but we have enough information to find it. Knowing 2 points on the line, we substitute into the slope formula to find the slope first. y2 minus y1 is 1 minus -4, divided by x2 minus x1 is -2 minus -1. 1 plus 4 is 5, divided by -2 plus 1 is -1, so our slope is 5. We now substitute into the point-slope form using one of the two given points and the slope we just found. Let's use -2, 1. That gives us y minus 1 equals -5 times x minus -2, which will be x plus 2. We get y minus 1 equals -5x minus 10. Adding 1 to each side gives us -5x minus 9. To graph, we can plot these points, -1, -4, -2, 1, and draw the line between the points. We can check our slope is -5, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1, so that does tell us we have the right graph drawn. Passing through the point 2, 3 in a slope that's undefined. An undefined slope corresponds to a vertical line. A vertical line has the form x equals some number. Because we're passing through the point 2, 3, our vertical line is going through the x value of 2. So the equation of this line is x equals 2. It is not possible to put this in the point-slope form or slope-intercept form.